Are you a waffle lover looking for the perfect waffle maker? Let me introduce you to the Cuisinart WMR-CAP2, a waffle maker that's a game changer in the kitchen. This isn't just any waffle maker, it's one of the most popular ones out there, and for good reasons. First off, its ease of use is incredible. You don't need to be a pro to make perfect waffles. Just pour in your batter and let the Cuisinart do its magic. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you want a delicious breakfast without the hassle. But what about the waffles themselves? They're nothing short of amazing. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Whether it's a classic breakfast or an innovative dessert, this waffle maker handles it all with ease. Now let's talk build quality. The Cuisinart WMR-CAP2 is built to last. Its robust design means you'll be making waffles for years to come. Plus, it looks great on any kitchen countertop. So if you're in the market for a waffle maker, consider the Cuisinart WMR-CAP2. You won't be disappointed. And hey, if you decide to buy through my Amazon link, you'll be supporting me too, as I'm an Amazon associate. I earn from qualifying purchases, and it helps me bring more great content your way. Check out the link and make your breakfast unforgettable.